70, I need to reduce it to 65, so that I asked for a calorie deficit plan.
Okay. And
So
then further
they give an output of the
for
calorie.
breakfast it's oats with almond butter and banana. For that lunch, quinoa salad and yes. So all the data sets, it's related with the Western countries.
So we can have it here also, chickpeas and greens and we are also having
Grilled tofu, steamed vegetables.
The names are given in modern terms, but we are having it here also, sir.
Total calories suggested 175 centimeter and 70 kg to support the weight gain. So this is purely to gain the weight.
Yes.
So since the height is 175 and his weight is 70, so he is in that underweight.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay, master. Thank you.
Okay, and next case study we are going to discuss with Sounder. He will explain what kind of projects he had for the DL assignment. Sounder, so let you explain now your project.
So I created a platform where you can check for the used cars, sir. You will take the data sets from various platforms like Cars24, Mark-Suzuki True Value, etc. We can take data set from there, and when you are searching for a second-hand car you want to buy, the details of that car along with the best model currently available, every details will be available here, sir.
Okay.
So for this I used Hugging Face, sir, and the data set is taken from various platforms using parsing methods, sir. The data set in the form of Excel sheet, and I have imported in the Hugging Face for the
Okay, so will you state that how many platforms you referred to collect the used cars details?
So I searched around 3 platforms, sir.
Okay.
First is Car24, True Value, and
Persona? Okay. Okay. And how much of the data sets you are having?
So around 4 lakhs data sets presently.
Okay, so will you explain what will be the outcome and then how much of evaluation accuracy?
Yes, sir. The first, when you are searching for a car, for example, if you are searching for an Alto car, the current available Alto car detail will be given, sir, along with its mileage, condition, kilometer driven, and number of owners, sir.
Okay.
So you can choose the best from it, sir. And if you are looking for a particular, saying that I need only one owner of the cars, so single owner cards will be displayed along with data mileage, sir. And accuracy around 0.76%, sir.
Accuracy, okay, right. And one more doubt I am having. So how will you fetch that data from these different platforms? Like Hyundai having the platform is called the Persona, and then Maruti Suzuki having that platform of the True Value,
Yes.
and then even high-ended cars like Benz and then Toyota. So they are having their second-hand markets in separate way. So they are having varieties of their websites. So how will you fetch the data from these kind of websites?
Yes. So for that purpose, data set from the various platforms, I have used beautiful soup methods, sir, for few websites and Scapy for the few websites, sir. By using a beautiful method, first I will give the URL link to the system, sir. By scamping the URL link, it will take the entire data in HTML format, sir. After that, I will use beautiful soup to remove HTML tags and obtaining it as a data, sir. After taking the data, and I will just segregate it and use training methods for giving unwanted data. And I will go with the after completing the process, I will send this data to the Hugging Face. Hugging Face will be used to train the model, and I will be using this in this code.
Okay, so nice. And how will you going to commercialize this? So do you have any idea to commercialize this product to the public? In a sense, it seems to be that very much useful in the perspective of the public. In case I am that person, I am looking for second-hand cars in that market, I have to individually visit that sites. If I want to get the details from that True Value, I have to visit the True Value. In case I want to get the details from that the person, that is the Hyundai second-hand showroom, and there I have to visit that. Meanwhile, that Toyota, and then meanwhile in that higher end of that cars. So is this the situation? Do you have that any idea to commercialize these projects?
Sir, but there are various legal issues when copying from other companies, sir. Instead of that, we will just use our chatbot so that the people can search for it. When they need that particular product, They'll be redirected to the platform.